Welcome back. This is Chili Davidson. I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where I talk about my top stocks, but I also talk about cryptocurrency. If you're new, please click that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, we had a exciting morning. Powell came out and he mentioned about cutting rates, and the crypto market went crazy. Okay, we see Ethereum rose over 12% this morning, up over 12% in my portfolio, and well, several of my portfolios. And again, the Fed did not disappoint. So let's go to the article. Okay, CNBC, Federal Reserve Powell indicates conditions may warrant interest rate cuts as Fed proceeds cautiously. Okay, so the Fed, Jerome Powell, spoke this morning at Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Federal Jerome Powell on Friday gave a tepid indication of possible interest rate cuts ahead, as he noted a high level of uncertainty as making the job difficult for monetary policy. With the policy in restricted territory, the baseline outlined a shifting balance of risk and warrants our policy stance. He at the annual address at Jackson Hole. While not addressing the White House demands for cuts specifically, Powell did note the importance of Fed independence. Okay, so this is Jerome Powell's last go around with it. He is moving on around next May. Jerome Powell will be leaving the Federal Reserve. So Jerome Powell, Trump's next pick is coming soon. But on his way out, he gave an early Christmas gift. All right, so with that news, we saw stocks go crazy today. Let's take a look at the portfolio and see all the excitement. Okay, it was revenge of big tech. Tesla shares were up 5.7%. This is trading right now about 330. Okay, going into the close. Tesla trading right at 5.68 going into the close with 10 minutes left in the market. SoFi Technology surging again, a second day in a row was up 3% yesterday, and today up 7%. Ford Motor Company up 3.46, Amazon up 3%, and Advanced Micro Device AMD up 2.7. Okay. Also, you did see a little bit of Palantir. Palantir did get some love here. They were up 1.25%. And Capital One Financial, again, another financing company, Capital One Bank and credit cards, they were up 4.46 on the news from Jerome Powell. Okay, so let's go over to the news to see that information. The early news. Okay, the headline on CNBC is Dow soars more than 800 points. So your Dow Jones Industrial Index was up 1.89. Your S&P was up 1.49%. Your NASDAQ stocks were up 1.84. And Russell 2000 was up 3.81%. So that was the whole entire stock market ripping higher on the news of Federal Reserve Jerome Powell's comments this morning at Jackson Hole. And so it's been a great morning for stocks. Big tech has come back come back with a vengeance. And we're just looking until September to see those rates come in. Also, SoFi is on fire. SoFi is up over 7%, as we saw. And then we have ETH. Okay, so Ethereum, the shares jumping. Ethereum jumping over 12.49% on the day. Again, Ethereum, one of the hottest cryptocurrency coins. And I believe XRP is up too. Let's take a look at that. Okay, here is XRP up 8.34%. Again, the hottest news, again, is the rate cut is coming. Brought confidence back into the big tech and cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, XRP, all up today on the news of Federal Reserve cutting rates. That's going to help out possibly the housing market, also small business with loans and etc. So the Federal Reserve is exciting, and he indicated, and we'll see in September if everything he made mention in Jackson Hole will come fruition. Okay, so again, stocks rally, crypto rallies, everything is up. Again, one of the hottest stocks today is SoFi. SoFi is up 7.33% today on the news going into the close. Again, Jerome Powell making the best comments about indicating that we're going to get a rate cut. Okay, so that is the news. That is the update. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. You guys have a fantastic weekend. We'll see you.